in the shadow of mountains that poke at the sky, by an ocean where six-legged crabs scuttle by, under trees stuffed with coconuts dangling high, lived a sweet little girl called Fatu. Her brothers were many. Her parents just two, who showered their girl with love shown to few. The brothers felt jealous and wished for love too, but mostly it went to Fatu. Nearby lived a sorceress, cold-hearted and cruel, who chomped on small creatures and snarled like a ghoul. "Don't go near her," said Mama. "That is the rule. I don't want her to eat you, Fatu." Now, the sorceress owned a sweet coconut tree, and those brothers told Fatu, "Climb up quickly and grab every ripe nut that you can see." "But the witch," said nervous Fatu. "Don't be frightened," the boy said, "or worried at all. You are such a good climber, and we would just fall. We brothers feel thirsty. Please pick a great haul." So up climbed the trusting Fatu. In a flash, the sorceress flew from her hut. "How dare you," she shrieked, "touch even one nut?" "But I didn't," cried Fatu. "Don't give me that but," said the witch, as she grabbed at Fatu. The sorceress dragged the trembling girl to the parents, letting all of her fury unfurl. "Your girl's acting wicked." And then, with a whirl through magic, had frightened Fatu. The brothers, they cringed. The parents, they cried as Fatu, that sweet one, was practically fried by magic that made her feel funny inside, then turn into stone. Poor Fatu. Now the parents kept loving their daughter gone taught, leaving presents like fine mats and fish father caught, ignoring the boys who felt hurt and forgot love less than a frozen Fatu. So the brothers cooked up a devious plan. "Let's drag our stone sis as far as we can." The boys dumped Fatu in the sea and they ran. Down sank unlucky Fatu. The boys, they built a phony Fatu of coral and sap, which they hoped could make do. The parents weren't fooled, pleading, "Boys, why would you? How rotten you've treated Fatu!" Alone on the beach, the boys sat with heads bowed. Unloved and tormented, they wept long and loud. Till a crab scuttled by, asking, "Why the dark cloud?" "'Cause we drowned our dear sister Fatu." "Oh my," said the crab. "You tossed her to sea?" "We did," moaned the boys. Said the crab, "Golly gee." The boys, "Can you save her?" The crab, "If you'll be loving brothers to Sister Fatu." The boys swore a promise, hands raised in the air. So the crab dived right in and searched everywhere till she spied a dark cavern, a shadowy lair, where two sharks floated, guarding Fatu. Under a spell of that sorceress foul, the pair of gruff sharks prowled about with a scowl. When someone swam near, the pair hissed in a growl, "Stay away, far away from Fatu." The crab crept up silent, one shark as her mark. She pinched hard its tail, which made the shark bark. The crab poked and jabbed, making holes in the shark, which died at the feet of Fatu. The second shark yelped in shock from the sight. He jumped back in fear, begging, "Please, not a fight." The crab answered, "Boo." The shark sped off in fright. Then the crab gently picked up Fatu. The crab dragged the statue up onto the shore, where she washed off the magic to make Fatu more of the sweet little girl that she was once before. Oh, thank you, dear crab, sighed Fatu. The brothers cried, sorry. But Fatu said, what? You saved me. The boys looked confused and said, not, we drowned you. And their sister said, yes, but then got the crab to come save your Fatu. The boys shouted, yippee! The crab said, hee hee. And the brothers now care for their sister, truly. This means that the story ends quite perfectly with everyone loving Fatu.